This limited edition release features Crocs inspired by two iconic Pokémon, Charizard and Blastoise. The Charizard clogs highlight fiery orange and red tones, reflecting the fierce nature of the fire-type Pokémon, while the Blastoise design uses cool blue shades to evoke its strong, water-powered presence. Both styles include themed Jibbitz charms, offering fans a way to personalize their footwear with Pokémon symbols and minifigures. This collaboration appeals to both nostalgic fans who remember battling with these characters on their Game Boys and a new generation familiar with the franchise through current games, shows, and films. Blending playful design with comfort, the Crocs serve as both stylish collectibles and practical everyday shoes. Release date will be on June 10, 2025 for a price of $70 US.